YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Back with another video for you guys today, man. And today I do have an unboxing for you. You guys see the Just Rob Me tape on there. Actually, oh yeah, we do got still have the Just Rob Me tape. But before we get into that, man, if you are new here, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. We are currently sitting at 707 subscribers. The goal is to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. I know we could do it. Make sure, once again, that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. The goal is to hit 800 before October. We're not even in September yet. The goal was to hit 700 before September, but we killed that. So now we're going to try to hit 800 before October. Also, go ahead and smash that like button. Really helps with the algorithms. Helps bring new people to see the videos and potentially bring new people to join the anonymous Sneakerhead family. And then last but not least, go ahead and follow my Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first, particularly these shoes that I'm about to unbox. You would have already seen them on my Instagram by now if you follow that. Now, right here, man, I do have a very special unboxing. Not special, you know what I'm saying? The shoe is probably a little old by now, so I'm not going to call it a special unboxing. But before we get into that, I do want to let you guys know that I am an ambassador for Popl. That's P-O-P-L, as you can see on the screen. Pretty much what it is like having an infinite amount of business cards on you all the time. You can put it on the bottom of your phone. I have one on the bottom of my phone. I also have one on my wallet, which isn't on me right now, so I can't show it to you guys. But I also do keep one on my wallet. And basically the way that it works is you hook it up with your phone, with your account. You could tap it to someone else's phone, and it instantly gives them all of your information. Whether it is for me, for example, I have my YouTube, I have my Instagram, I have my Cashapp, my PayPal, and my Popl ambassador link, which is also down below in the description. And after you hit that and you're going to go buy your Popl, make sure that you use promo code ANON, that's A-N-O-N, for a discount. Now, without further ado, let's get into this video. And of course, I opened the box upside down again. I don't know why. I can never guess where the top of the box is going to be in the box. I always open my sneaker boxes upside down, but we're going to toss that to the side. I don't think there's a receipt. Yeah, I don't know why Nike Sneakers app isn't doing receipts, but bang. Here is the box, guys. You guys already know what it is. You read the title. You saw the thumbnail. It's an old shoe by now. It came out a little less than a week ago, but let's just go over the box really quick. So it's an all-white box, as you can see, all the way around. Really, really clean. Then on the back, we do have a callback to your traditional, you know what I'm saying, Jordan 12 boxes, where we do have the quality inspired by the greatest player ever. You know what I mean? I mean, this is the Bread 11 box, but it came in the similar, you know what I mean, 12 box, and you have that same branding right there on the back, which is pretty cool. And then we have the Indigo splotch or splatter with the white Jumpman on it, which is very remnant of what you're going to get inside. And on the size tag, we have the Air Jordan 12 Retro, and the colorway is, what is that? The colorway is Stone Blue and Legend Blue, and this is a size 12, so this is definitely a personal pair. But that's enough about the box. Let's get into it. Bang. We're going to pull it up right here, and we do get this card, which I'm going to go over, so I'm going to put that to the side, pull this down right here, and here is the shoe, man. And let me just get one of them out. They're both the same. Don't got to worry about nothing else. And let's look at it, man. So those of you that know, wow. Those of you that know me know that I love the Jordan 12. It is my single favorite Jordan silhouette, and I am really digging this colorway. Now, right off the bat, man, this shoe, and I know you heard everyone else say it, and I wanted to be the one not to say it, but yo, the leather on this shoe is so soft. Like, this is
beautiful. What is that, velvet?
This is some of the best leather I've seen on a Jordan, let alone a Jordan 12 on a Jordan, man. This is really, really nice, especially for $190. Let me make sure this was $190. Yeah. Wow. Especially for $190 price tag. This is really, really good quality leather. So we're just going to look around the shoe. You know what I'm saying? It's a Jordan 12. You've seen a million of them. So detail-wise, just on the skin, on the surface level, there's not too much to get into. You know what I mean? You got your white panel down here, the blue upper. And we do have, these are not metal. I don't think anyways. Yeah, these are plastic, but they have that metallic finish. The plastic eyelets up top. You have your 2, 3 on the tongue that you always get, TWO3. You know what I'm saying? The heel tab, Jordan quality inspired by the greatest basketball player ever. Now, I say this every time I look at a pair of 12s. Everyone talks about LeBron and Kobe and KD or whoever for saying that they're the greatest basketball player ever, and everyone says how disrespectful that is. But no one talks about the fact that Jordan wore a sneaker that said he is the greatest basketball player on the back of the sneaker. And not only did he wear it, but other people in the NBA wore it. So I find that funny every time I look at it. Now let's look at the outsole. We have a primarily white outsole. You know what I'm saying? You can see your carbon fiber plate through it that you get on the Jordan 12. And then we do have the black pods right here with the blue Jumpman. Now, let's get into what makes this shoe so special. So even before I get into that, one more thing that I did notice. As you look on what I call the mud guard of the Jordan 12, you're missing one of the hallmarks of the shoe to me. So you can still see it on the midsole kind of right there, those speckles or those spots that you get. But those of you that are used to Jordan 12s know what I'm talking about. When you look at the panel right here and you get the bumps in the leather, sometimes they change it. It's been really ugly before and been patent leather. Sometimes they do like an animal print type of thing. But this one is completely smooth, which I actually kind of like. Not gonna lie to you, I kind of like how completely smooth that is. And then the upper leather, man, is just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And a lot of people think that this shoe is going to fade into another color. It is going to wear, but I don't think it's going to fade like people think it is. What I think it's going to do is what's called a patina, which is like if you have an old leather wallet or an old leather belt or some old leather boots, and it changes and morphs itself with wear. This doesn't look like a shoe like the LA to Chicago's, or I can't even think of shoes off the top of my head where you can like rub the color off of it. It doesn't feel like it. The leather actually feels really, really good. This might be a vegetable hide. I don't know what type of leather this is. Really, really dope though. Feels really good to the touch, and I do like the touch of the smooth mud guard. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people are calling these the knockoff Obsidians, which whatever, they're lighter than the Obsidians. They're a lot lighter in person. I don't know how well that's showing up on camera, but they are lighter than the actual Obsidians. What this actually reminds me of is, I forgot what, I know it wasn't the FIBA 12s because the FIBA 12s were the white one, but there was, I'll put it up on the screen. There was a Jordan 12 that was very similar in colors and had patterns up top, and I didn't like it because of the patterns, but I do really, really like how this shoe came out. Now, I do want to get into the card that comes in the box right there so we could talk more about exactly what's supposed to happen. And the card it gives us does say, the beauty of imperfection fades to perfection, which is really dope. And like I said, that hints more of the patina than a fade like a LA to Chicago. So we're going to look into it one more time right here in the whole card. I'm going to read the whole thing for you real quick. It says, Indigo is among the oldest dyes to be used for textile dyeing and printing. The oldest known fabric, dyed indigo, dates back more than 6,000 years ago. No two pieces are alike. We embrace these differences. With time and use, the depth and fade of the indigo will reveal a look that's unique to you. So here is the card. You know what I'm saying? Pause it if you want to read it for yourself, but it's really, really dope. So essentially what I got out of that is that this leather, it is a leather which feels really good, that is dyed indigo. There's nothing under it, but they do acknowledge that with time, with wear, with exposure to air, exposure to heat, exposure to maybe water, whatever, the actual look of the color is going to change. You know what I'm saying? Whether it gets darker, whether it gets lighter, depends. I'm going to attach a picture right here to the screen that I got. I believe it's Foot Action. It might be Foot Locker. It could be any other foot site, but I did see this posted on their Instagram, and this is, you could see kind of like a half patina look, which I thought is really cool, man. But yeah, super excited to have these in hand. Definitely going to be in my top 10. I know I haven't had a sneaker to update the top 10 in a while, but these are definitely in my top 10 pickers for the year. I'm a sucker for Jordan 12s. You know what I mean? Once again, super, super excited to have these in hand. But that is it for this video, you guys. Not going to do an on foot right now. I got a really busy day. May do an on foot coming up later. Maybe doing a lacing tutorial. But Jordan 12s are really easy to lace, so don't know if I'll do that. But that is it for this one, you guys. I am the anonymous sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. If you are new here, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We are currently at 707 subscribers. The goal is to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. Let's see if we can hit 800 before October, you know what I'm saying? The goal was to hit 700 before September, but we smashed that. So let's go ahead and hit 800 before October begins. Also, Make sure that you go ahead and smash that like button. If you made it this far, you obviously liked the video. You were entertained a little bit. And then last but not least, make sure that you follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first, including these are already up there and posted by the time you're seeing this video. But that is it for this one, you guys. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, and as always, it's all about the sneakers.